So we have a problem with the downspout. We have it buried underneath the ground, and as you can see, when it rains it overflows and is washing away next to the foundation by my garage, and it's even undermining our driveway a little bit. So I'm going to dig this out and I'm going to replace it. It goes someplace through here, not exactly sure. So I'll show you how to do that. Let's get started. After it comes out of the pipe, you need to know that it's buried underneath about 4 or 5 inches of dirt. It wasn't actually collapsed, but we're going to replace it with some new stuff anyways. It is really hot out here. I'm sweating, but at least we've had a ton of rain and the ground is soft and everything's going to go back in perfect, just like it come out. So all I'm doing here is just filling it back in. I'm going to tamp it in with a 2x4. So I'm going to cut this off at the bottom here, and I'll leave a little more on the bottom than the top, and I'll put that, I don't know what that's called. Do you know what that's called? Put it in the comments. I don't know what it's called. The rain catcher at the end of the pipe, and see how it looks. There we go. It's going to drain. It is perforated tube, so it will leak out as it goes down, but all in all, I'm not going to have any more washouts down here like we had, and I'll just throw some seed on top of it, maybe a little mulch, and give it a water every day. If you got a crushed pipe, that's how to fix it. Mine wasn't fully crushed, but you know what, it's better safe than sorry to dig it all the way out and make sure it's not crushed. And now it's time for me to go make a water slide for the kids because they've been bugging me. It's hot. They'll enjoy it. I'm gonna enjoy it. Go do something fun today.